It's gonna take us like 12 minutes to finish one lap.
Yeah, it is.
And it took us Oh god.
No, I'm on the sidewalk.
You're
You're gonna have enough recording room for this.
I have 3 terabytes.
Oh, you're gonna have enough recording room for this?
That last video was 3 gigs. With us messing around with the, Oh god! The train's coming for them!
Oh no!
Yes! I got it! It was so me losing my position to watch that.
Okay. Fine, great. I had to for the train to pass.
Yes, it was so worth it to me to lose my position to record that.
What the hell happened? I just heard it.
I can't move.
The train was coming, like I looked to my right and I saw the headlight for the train. And at that point, the train subsequently hit whoever was behind me.
That was Chad.
Chad got pushed by the train until he got exploded. Okay,
Wow.
to point this out, the people on the sidewalks are running away faster from the explosion than we're currently driving.
So dumb.